Okay, we're going to use this website here, www.ratekick.com, to get an estimate of how much more it would cost to raise the liability insurance or liability coverage on an insurance policy. And for this example, I'm going to use myself. I drive a 2005 Honda Accord Hybrid. I am, 63 years old, male, and married. My zip code 94705, and my current insurance carrier is Liberty Mutual. So let's take a look. Okay, now we have quotes which are coming in here for different insurance companies. Well, one thing I noticed right away is that my current provider, Liberty Mutual, is looking a bit expensive. So one thing that may come out of this is I end up getting myself a new insurer. Let's take a look here. Let's use AAA as an example. AAA would charge me $581 for 6 months, and that is with liability of $100,000 for each person injured in an accident, $300,000 for any one accident, and $100,000 for property damage. My liability for property damage. So if I were to cause an accident, these are the limits of what my insurance company would pay. So let's see what it costs if I want to raise those limits. Now, this quotation system goes up to a maximum of $250 per person, $500,000 per accident, and $100,000 in property damage. Well, $100,000 should cover any car that I'm likely to hit. So my premium was $581 for 6 months at AAA, and it's just gone up to $593, or an increase of $12 over 6 months, $24 for the entire year. So for another $24, I've increased my liability insurance from $100,000 to $250,000 per person in an accident, and from $300,000 to $500,000 per accident. That's a lot more coverage for what I think is not a great deal more money.